Okay guys, this is a quick intro or whatever because I wanted to show y'all me and mom are heading to Ponce City Market today because it's the 4th of July, so that's what we're doing. We're at the gas station right now and it's hot as hell. Oh my god, I'm sweating. And I don't have my Rode mic. I should have got that, but that would be too much. Like doing vlogs and stuff, I'll just use the camera volume because the Rode mic is like this big bulky mic sticking out of the camera and everybody's gonna be like, what the hell is she doing? Like, is she popular? Like, who is she? My mom just locked herself out.
Oh, damn it.
But yeah, like I was saying, they're gonna be like, what is she doing? She's doing the most, so I'm gonna just have the camera volume instead.
I should have bought some water or something, baby.
I got water.
Get something out of there. Okay. I got one. Water, I got one. Everything's fine. Okay.
Okay.
It's good. Vamonos. I'm about to say, I don't got the pool open like that. It's quiet.
It is.
Right?
People are not trying to go to the pool. They're trying to do something else.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, you do this on a
is.
regular day. And it's really hot. And that sun, it's no shade by that pool. That
Right,
that's,
it's not.
That's feeling like tub water.
Uh-huh,
Right
yes.
now. Hey! They out there in that lake, though. Well, CVS. Why are you parking? What the fuck you doing, News? Excuse me. Okay, they indecisive. They don't know if they want to go in the parking ramp or not. What are you gonna do? You better come on and do something because the car behind you. Oh, she said.
Go around. I'm stuck. Okay, boo. The other car.
I don't got enough room though. Shit, this shit is tight.
Oh, okay, what is she doing?
What the fuck?
What is she doing?
You better. Oh, Kim, you better get your shit right. I'll hit you in your bins, Kim Lee. You shit, Sean Lee. Sean Lee. Be your mind. Shit, this ain't Hong Kong driving.
Oh my god.
Park, bitch.
My mom is trying to find her phone, but first I decided to go to Sephora, so we're gonna go to Sephora so I can see if I want a foundation or whatever for makeup tutorials in the future, and probably a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, whatever I want to go with, and then no, I'm not. And then we're she distracted me. Then we're about to go to get some macarons from the Ponce City Market, and then we're gonna go to get some bubble tea, and we might go to Trader Joe's afterwards. So.
Look at that fan, girl. Look at that fan, girl.
Okay, so anyways, that's what we might do. We might go to the.
Put that fan too. It's hot out here.
Okay.
97. Hot 97.
Hi. It's Hot 97 in studio series.
That's what I'm so done. We are now in Ponce City Market heaven.
Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty.
Little wine spot down here. Wine.
Okay, so I am in Sephora and I'm trying to see, I might just go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation because they say it's very full coverage, and I've watched so many beauty tutorials and they're like, oh my gosh, Anastasia or Hourglass stick foundation. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, but that's what I'm doing now. And I might just get a concealer, and that's all I need because all the other things that I have are beauty supply, Walmart, freaking, you don't need all of that stuff. And this is for y'all guys who like don't have enough money to, you know, get foundations and concealers that cost like an arm and a leg, and you're just on a budget. So I'll do makeup tutorials for you guys that are like drugstore. So. Okay, so somebody go to Shea Match Me for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then we're gonna be out of here. So yeah, she's shade matching me.
Oh, this one's caramel.
Okay. And how do you guys like go by shade matching? Like, do you go by your neck tone, or you know what I mean?
I always like to kind of match right here, like right here.
Okay. Your jawline?
My jawline.
Okay.
Let me see. This caramel
right here, and it's like a kind of yellowish light in here. So sorry guys. Yeah, but it's not the exact tone. But I'll show you once I get it. If I get caramel.
Now, what tone is that one?
A little more red.
Okay.
This is highlighting and contour.
I think I kind of like that shade better.
Oh yeah.
You know?
It has a little more red too.
Yeah.
Like that's the almost there, and then this is.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. So that's the color amber.
Okay, amber. This is amber, and this is caramel on the side. So I'm going with amber, and then I might get a concealer, like I said, and then we'll be out. Okay, so we just went from Sephora, and I got two little items. I got the Anastasia foundation stick, and then I got more Smashbox primer because I ran out of that. And then later on, we're gonna go to probably like the mall or whatever to go get the concealer for Tarte because they did not have it in there. So we're gonna see where else to get it later on. Natural. Mommy, come. Finally, I'm getting macarons today because I've been waiting so long to go to Ponce City Market and get them, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm getting a box of 12. Bubble tea or Trader Joe's or something like that. So that's the journey for today.
Started this.
Okay, so we are out of Ponce City Market and we're about to go to Order to Go because that's where my mom wants to go to eat right now. And it's a really nice vegetarian restaurant. We're trying to find some more because they need to have more vegetarian restaurants for us because a lot of times people are converting to vegetarianism and we need some more vegetarian restaurants to go to. Yes. So that's what we're about to do right now, and I got my macarons and makeup, and I'm so happy because we accomplished a lot of stuff on the 4th of July today, so
yeah, happy for
calling me.
That was free, that was awesome! Hey!
What are they talking about? I don't know though. Oh, they're saying I think for this is a parking space and we have to pay for it by the phone pole.
Huh?
Like all these other cars, I feel like they go up to pay.
Look at the sign. Okay,
pay by phone
4241.
Oh, pay by phone, your actual phone. Pay for parking with credit or debit. Passport parking. What?
You want to do this shit or you want to go on a ramp?
Yeah, let's just go on a ramp for the safe side because I don't know.
Okay. I don't know about this pay by.
Yeah.
They had validated parking?
Yeah.
Credit card only, okay. Yeah, I think they had validated parking, so let's make sure we got.
Please press the blue button for a ticket.
Alright.
For a ticket.
For a ticket! Here's my ticket!
Thank you.
You're welcome!
Right inside.
Okay.
Okay, so we decided to go to Fresh to Order instead of Flying Biscuit. Flying Biscuit's so good though, but Fresh to Order is good too. So this is what we decided, and we're gonna get some vegetable paninis and macaroni and cheese and I get sweet potatoes, and I don't know what she's gonna get. She probably might get sweet potatoes too, but they really know. I know.
Look at the door handle.
Oh, that's cool. Hello.
You want to sit outside or you want to be in?
You want to sit outside?
Outside?
Yeah. I think she said she'll be right with us over here.
Yeah.
So I got a tomato mozzarella panini with mac and cheese, a vegetable panini with mac and cheese, a side of sweet mashed potatoes, and a side of garlic.
Yeah.
All right, nice happy.
You too. Like, because I thought more 4th of July stuff would be going on downtown. I was like,
I know,
they ain't in the city.
right?
I'm like, they not in the city.
Did he say where he's from?
I know, I even asked.
And we're about to go to Bubble Tea, and then we're heading home.
Racetrack.
Oh yeah, and then Racetrack because she wants her nuts. And then we are heading home. Dead end.
Wowzers. Let's try. Get out. All right, hit that mailbox. That mailbox is jumped out of nowhere. Said you got mail.
I'm so done.
Damn, they're gonna hit the thing.
Oh my god. Oh. I'm so done. Oh my god, I was so close. That was too close. It was so close.
Yeah, we're like, ooh, you like,
I know,
look, my arm like this. You're like, they about to hit.
I know. That
So-
was a centimeter away. That was really pushing it.
Did you get that?
I feel like, yes, like a little snippet. That was crazy.
Insert parking ticket. Alright. Insert
The ticket. Insert the ticket.
I know, it's like ticket. Okay.
Okay, yeah, go.
What you say, girl?
Go straight.
Okay, we're gonna run into the wall. Okay. He's fine enough.
They exchanging drugs.
I don't know what they doing. They got a deal right here. Going down.
Yeah, it should be right here. Right. No, okay. It's not coming up yet. Dang, I keep tricking you. Okay, there it goes right there.
Destination is on the left.
It's not open.
No! No, no, no. No! No, 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 no!
There's no way my car's out there.
Why? Settle for a Burger King milkshake.
Burger King milkshake. That's
No!
default.
Right.
All I know is Racetrack but had these nuts today. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Fellini's pizza's okay. It don't taste like that.
I never tried Fellini's
Really?
pizza. What's like? What
At
does it
least
taste
try
like?
it.
Is it like Italian? Or?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like real Italian, like no.
Yeah.
It's like bootleg. It tastes like shit. It ain't too much fucking. I like Papa John's better than
Marco's pizza is good.
I remember you got me.
Yeah.
It was good.
And the crust, like I could just eat the crust because usually like Little Caesars and stuff, I throw the crust away because I can't eat it. But Marco's pizza,
The crust is. It's buttery like.
yes. And you can add different toppings to the crust, like Parmesan crust, garlic crust, all of that.
Is that all for you?
Yeah, that'll be it.
Is there any next window for you?
All right. All right.
Working on it.
You
Actually.
want to get your portfolio up? I mean, we're artists looking for more shots.
Really?
Yeah.
You got cars?
Yes.
I mean, social media is always help.
Let's try this racetrack again. What it do? What it do? What it do? Some trucks do. Nuts. These nuts.
They have some in this racetrack. We're trying a different racetrack. And they got the Cajun nuts. But hopefully they're soft because sometimes they're not soft. This is what we came here for because she was obsessed for the nuts today.
Yes. These nuts.
Oh my god.
That's the nut dance.
Oh my god.